Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 20L. Today I'll show you how to check number of apps opened each day. Firstly, open Settings and then scroll down to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now show your data and tap on Unlocks. As you can see, here we've got a list of all apps opened today and numbers that counts them. For example, I opened settings 22 times today. We can also check for different days. Yesterday, I opened setting 15 times. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.